let's say you're in a bakery and you have to buy a present for your friend. The so you've got a choice of two cakes. One is this one here, which is 50 by 60, and the depth is the height is 20. And here you've got a circular cake with a radius of 25 centimeters, and the height of 15. So which is a bigger cake of the two? So press pause and think about it. Press pause and think about it. Okay, so if you want to know the bigger cake of the two, look at the volume. The volume is how much space something takes up. So let's work out the volume of this cake here. So V equals, well, there are lots of ways of doing this. We can work out the surface area here and then drag it by the and then times it by 50. Or we can work out the area of the top of the cake. So let's do that. Let's find out the area of the top of the cake. So it will be this 50 here times the 60 here. So 50 times 60, well, 5 times 6 is 30, and then 2 zeros. So the surface area is this. Sorry, the area of the top of the cake is this. Okay, and then we got to times it by the depth here. So so basically it would be this times this here. So because we are dragging it down all the way down. So 3000 gives us the area at the top of the cake, and then we drag it all the way down here. And when we drag it, we've got to times it by 20. Okay, so it would be 3000 times 20. So the volume of this thing would be, wait there, 3 times 2 is 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros. Hang on. Do whichever method you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep. So the volume of this thing here would be this centimeters cubed. Okay. Now let's work out the area of this cylinder cake here. So the surface. Well, sorry. Work out the area at the top of the cake, and then drag it all the way down here. So the area at the top of the cake is pi r is 25. Right there, pi 25 squared. Okay. So the area at the top is what's 25 times 25? Hang on, clear. 25 times 25 equals 625. Remember, this gives us the area. So we are just multiplying this out here at the moment. So 25 times 25 is 625, and then we've got to times it with pi. So take the pi down. Okay. So remember, A is just the area at the top. Now we've got to drag it all the way down here, which is times 15. So remember, it's no longer an area now, it's V now, because we're timesing the depth. So the volume is this. Get the area. This is the area so far, and then we're going to times it by 15, but because we are dragging it all the way down here, and this is 15 here. Okay, the depth is 15. So the volume. Let's merge these two together first. This and this, because so the number times the number. So hang on, 625 times the 15 here equals 9375. 9375. And remember the pi, because we still got to multiply the pi. Okay. Now get this, multiply with a pi. Remember, pi is just a number, 3.14 blah 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 blah. So let's get 9375 times pi. Pi is that equals let's just say it's 29452. 29452. And remember, it's centimeters cubed. So people looking in, they can tell this is a volume. Okay. Now, so here you can see. Oh, what? This one is miles bigger than. Sorry, it's a lot bigger than this cake here. This cake is only around about 29,000 centimeters cubed. This one is 60. So if you look, so you should be choosing this cake here. I think it was badly drawn. So if from here to here is 60 centimeters, then if we were to, so from here to here is 30, so 25. Well, actually, if you look at this here, well, this cake here is actually a lot bigger than this cake here. So you should be choosing this cake here. Okay.